Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super useful for anyone using Wealthfront to manage their investments and savings. If you're tired of manually transferring money every month, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through how to schedule transfers in Wealthfront step by step. This feature is a game changer for automating your finances and keeping everything on track without the hassle. First off, what's Wealthfront? It's an online investment platform that offers automated investing, cash management, and more. It's designed to help you grow your wealth with minimal effort. Now, let's get to the main event, scheduling transfers. Step 1. Log into your Wealthfront account. Head over to their website or app and enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers section. You can usually find this in the main dashboard or under the Accounts menu. Look for something like Move Money or Transfers. Next, click on Schedule a Transfer. This will open a new page where you can set up the details. You'll need to select the accounts involved, like from your linked bank account to your Wealthfront investment account. Then, choose the amount you want to transfer. Make sure it's realistic based on your budget. Now, for the fun part, scheduling. Pick the frequency. Options might include weekly, monthly, or even quarterly. Set the start date and, if you want, an end date. Wealthfront makes this easy with a calendar picker. Double-check everything to avoid any surprises. Once you're happy with the setup, hit Confirm or Schedule. You'll get a confirmation email, so keep an eye on your inbox. That's it. You've just automated your transfers. Why bother with this? Scheduled transfers help you build wealth consistently, reduce the risk of forgetting payments, and even take advantage of dollar-cost averaging in investments. Plus, it's a set-it-and-forget-it feature that saves time. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and hit that bell icon. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.